Okay, welcome back. Today I've got a really quick video for you. I'm going to go over how you can use the slip tool inside of FL Studio. So the slip tool, you can just hit S or you can click up here to access it. But what it does, it sort of slides sounds back. I'll sort of demonstrate a bit better. But comparing this to the draw tool, if you can move forwards, you can just select like that and move forwards. But you can't go any further back. So if I'm going left, I'll stop at the start of the playlist. With the slip tool though, I can select that and then move back even further. So I can move back and start this sound somewhere else. So it's really sort of like changing the start position of whatever track you've got. So if I move it out here even, I can sort of change where it starts. I can't make it longer because I can just do that like this. But I can offset the start to somewhere else in the sample pretty much. It's a pretty simple tool, but I find myself using it quite a bit. It's a good tool to know and it's good in certain circumstances. Thank you for watching, hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.